Living or Dead is a philosophical story written by the very great Nobel laureate of India, Rabindranath Tagore. He lived between 1861 and 1941 and gave to the literary world some of the best writings ever written by any Indian author, in fact, even internationally. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature for his remarkable work, the Gitanjali. Now, Living or Dead is taken from a collection of stories called Hungry Stones, and it has a striking theme. What is the difference between life and death? The predominant fundamental question asked by philosophers the world over. Now, about the author, that Rabindranath Tagore is undoubtedly one of the greatest writers of modern India. Born in Calcutta into a wealthy family, he evinced interest in literary creation in his childhood. He never received any formal university education and was mostly left free to pursue his literary activities. Endowed with a rare imagination and a felicity of expression, he wrote about 50 dramas, 40 volumes of novels, and shorter fiction, besides innumerable collection of poems and philosophical essays. In 1913, he became the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize for Literature, particularly Gitanjali, which he himself translated into English and which is considered his masterpiece. This was followed by invitations which took him to many parts of the world, including Europe, China, Japan, and the United States. Tagore was a versatile genius who not only wrote, painted, acted, and composed music, but also took an active part in the national struggle for freedom. As a writer, he looks at life from a humanist point of view. He is a true apostle of universal brotherhood and understanding. It was to embody these lofty ideals that he established at Shantiniketan, or the Abode of Peace, a university that was to transmit a message of love and selfless knowledge to all mankind. He died in 1941 when the struggle for freedom was passing through a critical phase. He was deeply mourned by his countrymen and countless readers and admirers all over the world.